Tired of dark spots and unclear skin? Today we delve into the top 5 home remedies to clear your skin and banish those pesky dark spots once and for all. Step 1 revolves around the simplest, yet most essential element of life: water. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day can do wonders for your skin. It aids in cleansing the body by eliminating toxins, leading to a clear, smooth and glowing complexion. Moving on to step 2, we explore the power of a lemon juice and yogurt face mask. Lemons, packed with vitamin C and citric acid, act as a perfect bleaching agent to lighten dark spots. Combine this with the cleaning properties of yogurt and the exfoliating power of sugar, and you've got yourself a potent, glow-inducing face mask. For our third step, we turn to the lactic acid-rich buttermilk. By applying buttermilk directly onto the dark spots with a cotton ball and leaving it for 20 minutes, dead skin cells are removed and dark spots are lightened. The fourth step introduces the miracle plant that is aloe vera. This plant, rich in amino acids and vitamins A, B, C, and E, has anti-aging and skin-nourishing properties. Regular application can reduce discoloration and dark spots, while also acting as a moisturizer. Don't use Market One, use pure aloe vera from plant, and make sure wash the plant clean and remove yellowness from aloe vera to leave your skin soft and smooth. Our fifth and final step brings us to tomatoes. Used as a skin toner, applying tomato paste on your face like a face pack can bring a natural glow to your skin. Leave it for about 10 minutes and rinse with cold water to reveal soft, smooth, and glowing skin. In summary, we've shared 5 home remedies to help clear dark spots from your skin. From hydrating with water, using lemon juice and yogurt face masks, applying buttermilk, harnessing the power of aloe vera, and using tomatoes as a skin toner, these remedies are all natural and simple to incorporate into your skincare routine. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your skin glowing and healthy.